Understanding point of sale, POS, systems. A point of sale, POS, system is a fundamental tool in today's retail environments, allowing businesses to process payments and manage transactions efficiently. From brick-and-mortar shops to e-commerce platforms, POS systems serve as the heart of financial transactions between consumers and merchants. This article explores what POS systems are, how they function, their evolution, along with their advantages and disadvantages. What is a POS? Point of sale, POS, refers to both the hardware and software that enable merchants to process payments, track inventory, manage sales data, and enhance customer relationships. Essentially, a POS system provides a comprehensive transaction recording system that replaces traditional cash registers. Components of a POS system. A typical POS system includes hardware. This may involve a terminal that connects to a cash drawer, receipt printer, barcode scanner, and card reader. With advancements in technology, mobile devices like smartphones and tablets are increasingly becoming popular POS terminals. Software. The underlying software manages multiple functionalities, from calculating totals and processing payments to tracking inventory, generating reports, and even managing loyalty programs. How a POS works. The transaction process. The core functionality of any POS system is to facilitate the payment process, which generally involves the following steps. 1. Item entry. The merchant enters items for purchase, often using a barcode scanner for accuracy and speed. 2. Subtotal calculation. The POS calculates the total cost of the items, which may include taxes and discounts. 3. Payment processing. Customers can opt to pay via cash or card. Cash payments are straightforward, while card transactions involve additional steps such as PIN confirmation and communication with the customer's bank. 4. Receipt generation. Upon successfully processing the payment, the POS system generates a receipt for the transaction. Online transactions. In e-commerce, the POS process includes selecting items, clicking through to checkout, entering payment details, credit card number, billing address, and potentially confirming the transaction with the bank for security purposes. Market overview. According to market projections, the global POS market is estimated to reach a value of $29.02 billion in 2023, indicating growth driven by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. The strategic importance of POS placement. Positioning of POS terminals is crucial for maximizing sales. Businesses often place POS systems near exits or strategic locations to promote impulse buying. Different categories, such as electronics and apparel, can have dedicated POS stations to enhance customer engagement and promote upsells or add-ons. Micro-marketing opportunities. Strategically placed POS systems can also reveal insights into buying patterns, allowing retailers to cater to customer needs more effectively. For instance, in a department store, product-specific POS terminals encourage staff to interact with customers directly, providing information and guiding them through the purchasing process. Benefits of modern POS systems. Enhanced efficiency. POS systems automate many initial steps of the selling process, reducing the time spent on transactions. Data management. Real-time data collection from transactions allows businesses to monitor pricing accuracy, track inventory changes, assess sales patterns, and identify future buying trends. Improved customer experience. With various payment options and quick transaction processes, customer satisfaction often increases, encouraging repeat business. Innovations in POS technology. Cloud-based solutions. Modern retail practices increasingly leverage cloud-based POS systems, especially for larger online retailers. These systems reduce upfront costs and provide scalability and accessibility, allowing businesses to monitor transactions from anywhere. The rise of mobile POS. With mobile technology, businesses can turn tablets and smartphones into POS systems, enhancing customer engagement through location-based services in restaurants or hotels, allowing customers to place orders or pay bills directly. Innovative designs in POS displays. To enhance consumer interaction, manufacturers of POS displays are focusing on aesthetics and functionality, developing customized solutions that fit varying business environments effectively. Historical context. The concept of the POS system dates back to 1879 when James Ritty, an Ohio saloon owner, invented the first cash register for better bookkeeping. This historical innovation laid the foundation for modern POS systems, evolving into complex software and hardware that we rely on today. Advantages and disadvantages of POS systems. Advantages. Inventory management. Better control over stock levels helps prevent issues related to out-of-stock situations. Improved security. Advanced POS systems offer built-in security features to safeguard transaction and customer data. 24/7 data access. Cloud-based POS platforms provide round-the-clock access to important business metrics. Cost reduction. Streamlining transactions can lead to decreased labor costs in the long run. Disadvantages. Initial investment and ongoing costs. The initial purchase and installation of a POS system can be substantial, coupled with ongoing software maintenance. Dependence on internet connectivity. Many POS systems rely on stable internet connections, potentially leading to disruptions during outages. Security risks. Malicious attacks on systems can lead to data vulnerabilities if not properly managed. Upgrade expenses. As technology advances, the need for system upgrades can incur additional costs. Conclusion. A point-of-sale system is essential for today's retail operations, facilitating transactions and managing important business data. As technology continues to evolve, so do the capabilities of POS systems, allowing retailers to adapt to changing consumer behaviors and enhance their operational efficiency. Understanding the fundamentals of POS systems is vital for any modern business aiming to stay competitive in the rapidly changing retail landscape.